Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen and I'm back again, and today I want to make this video seem like I'm talking directly to y'all because I am, I am, and I want y'all to understand what's going on in the crypto markets. We all in this together. When these things go to the moon, I'm gonna be on a ship with y'all. When it's coming down and consolidating, I'm with y'all as well, trying to accumulate and get more, trying to increase my funds, increase the money that I'm getting in real life so I can continue to invest, because it's important that we learn how to invest properly so that we can make some money, get this long-term money, maybe even some short-term gains in the process, so that we can live a nice life. That's what it's all about for me. So if y'all like stocks, y'all like crypto, y'all like options, y'all be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, click the notifications on, because today I'm here to talk to y'all and give y'all updates on crypto.com and VVS Finance looking forward in 2022. Now, the first thing I have for y'all is a tweet from Chris, Crypto.com CEO, and it says 2022 is going to make 2021 look like a warm-up before the first quarter. Now, if you look at Crypto.com, the growth it had last year, you can see ahead of new beginnings in 2022. Join us as we look back at our milestones from 2021 when crypto went mainstream. So they're saying that in 2021 it just went mainstream. And last year, I honestly would say that it did go pretty mainstream, but I still think it has a much bigger audience to reach. There's still a lot of people on the sideline who still don't believe yet. It's like not believing in the internet probably like in the 90s yet. See, it's still a lot of people, but now the internet is just like everybody believes in it, everybody knows about it, everybody feels like they need it. Crypto could get to that point, but it's not there yet, and you saying it's just now going mainstream. So a lot of growth in my opinion. Now it says 3x growth in global crypto users. That's a lot. Market cap crosses 31. I think that's 3 trillion. Market cap crosses 3 trillion in the crypto space in the whole, for sure. Crypto and government corporate balance sheets. It is. DeFi NFTs have been exploding. GamerFi metaverses is taking shape. There's a lot of foundations that are being set that are coming stronger from 2021 in 2022 will be bigger and expand from so forth and so forth to 2023, 2024, from the 2020s. This is going to be a game-breaking time period for us, especially in the crypto space. So with that being said, crypto.com is already a top 20 crypto on coinmarketcap.com. Right? You can see, go here. Right now we're at about 45 cents. 46 cents. It's been having some consolidation. It's had a drop from $1. I did preach that. I said I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 25 cents, but it looks like it's trying to consolidate right here. So as long as it's consolidating right here, I'm no financial advisor. As long as it's holding this trend, even though if the crypto market does pull back some more, because Bitcoin is still looking a little shaky. Still looking a little shaky at 42,000. Ethereum's at 3,300. Still looking a little shaky right there. It's not exactly bullish, but I still think it could come down some. But with this level of consolidation, I wouldn't be too bad to add some right here. Some, like I said. Down here is my ultimate dip buying opportunity, but especially if you've already got in up here, you want to bring your cost average down, would not be a bad idea. I'm a big fan of accumulating these things in the downtrend when they're down and when they hit these dip levels and hit major levels of support. Big fan of that for sure. But 45 cents, I can't argue with that. That's not too bad because it's over 50% off from the highs where it nearly hit $1. And like I said, I do like crypto.com. I think it has a lot of room to grow. I always compare it to Binance Coin, which is at BNB, which is at about 82 billion, $82 billion market cap. So it has a lot of room just to catch up to that. And even though I think it could possibly even surpass that as crypto market goes at a exponentially. 82 billion. Right now we're looking at something that's 11 billion. So if you just round it down to about 10 to get to 80, it would have to 8x. So it would have to be what? At the 8x from 45 cents. That's good money. That's great money, you know what I'm saying? Just to catch it. I think it could possibly surpass it with all of the promotion that they have, with all of the different sports teams that they're at. They got Staples Centers called Crypto.com now. They're on the 76ers jerseys. There's different actors and athletes supporting this thing. I mean, if you go to Crypto.com Twitter itself, you will see that if you scroll through it, they have tons of promotion. Tons of promotion. You got the Sixers. You got the UFC. They got NFTs. Just a lot of just different things. Always new coins coming on there. The coins hit crypto.com before they hit Coinbase. Robinhood still only has a limited amount of coins. I think that this can be a very big banger, especially for the US. People and the users in the US who want to get into the crypto space, and they may not want to use Coinbase, or that the coins aren't yet available on Coinbase. Remember, Shiba INU was on crypto.com earlier last year before it even touched Coinbase, and if you would have got in on crypto.com, you would have came up. So We still bullish on crypto.com. Now, VVS Finance, still a banger over here. Now, I want to talk about this going forward from 2022. They just dropped the roadmap. They have some very, very good things out here that they've been talking about they want to implement this year. Last year was a very good year for us. They had different liquidity pools that we add. We had Dogecoin added, Shiba added. It was a nice year for us last year, and it was still very early on. Y'all know that we're still early in VVS Finance. They have tonic. You can get tonic on there. Beefy Finance. It's in the very early stages, but going forward, you can see if you look at the map itself, VVS voting governance, VVS referral system, VVS Union Club, VVS NFTs, VVS Gotchi GameFi. Then they also have smart removal in the first phase of the quarter, pool farm performance insights, flash liquidity pools, multi reward farms, getting more rewards for farming or staking your VVS. And then, XVVS as well. We'll get into some of that real quick. As you can see, we're going to briefly go through some of these things. But if you want to read deeply into this, feel free to go to the VVS Finance website. It's on there for you to read. But smart liquidity pool, set condition ratio target to remove your liquidity pool tokens to help you mitigate or even neutralize impermanent loss. That is very important because right now, if you're staking some of your VVS Finance or your crypto.com or any of those coins, you could be facing some impermanent loss due to the fact that the price of the coin itself has been dropping down. So they have a smart LP removal feature. That'd be honestly nice. That might be something that I even want to take advantage of. Because, think about it. If it could remove it out from you in a smart way, you could always put it back in and not have to deal with those temporary losses. But, like I said, if you got in early, then we got a chance to get in at a level to where our APRs were through the roof. So that kind of offsets some of the price drop for us if you got in super early. But for the people who may be getting in a bit later, they're not going to have those same APRs. But I still think VVS Finance will be an absolute banger. Now let's scroll down a little bit more. We got pool farm performance insights. That'll be good to give us more statistics on what's going on there. Flash liquidity pool, one step to go from a single token to provisioning liquidity to VVS, obtain LP tokens and easily stake in corresponding crystal farms. That'll be nice. VVS multi rewards farms. Designated crystal farms will yield multiple reward tokens, VVS plus partner tokens. If I can earn VVS and other tokens that could potentially be great, that is an absolute banger in my opinion. VVS users will be able to earn multiple rewards. What's not to like? The site has shown that they put some pretty good solid projects on there already that has some potential. Right now we're looking at things that has potential moving forward. This is how you get in early on things. You want to get in things before they get popping, before they hit the mainstream media. That's how you make the money. That's how you getting there early and then taking that risk, taking that chance. I'm no financial advisor. This is a chance that I'm willing to take though. Introducing the XVVS token, maximize VVS earnings, stake VVS, receive XVVS, which entitles you to a share of the platform trading fees. XVVS will be a yield-bearing governance token complementary to the VVS token. Oh, this is nice right here, VVS buyback. I know a lot of y'all want to see some of this going on. A percentage of platform swap fees will be used to buy back VVS from the market and add it to the XVVS pool. This will constantly increase the price of XVVS compared to VVS. If they're buying back VVS, that should help the price of VVS go up as well. That'll be very, very good. Reduce selling pressure. There will be more incentive to stake VVS and XVVS for the long term. Maximize earnings. We'll also launch an XVVS super farm to stake XVVS and farming with no impermanent loss. Now, if I can stake XVVS and receive no impermanent loss, that's just straight gains. And if it's a super farm, if it's paying out that much, I will definitely be taking advantage of that. Now, this is just something to look forward to in 2022. Governance preparation. XVVS will be the VVS governance token and your voice in the future for the platform. So that's good. If you want to vote on some things, you're going to need some XVVS. So that'll give you some good reasons to hold it, to stake it, and to earn some more crypto. This is looking very, very good. I'm liking VVS even more. The roadmap is looking pretty sweet. VVS governance, gradually handed over platform governance for community proposals and voting based on the share of XVVS ownership. Why? A community-driven project has always been our goal. This will allow VVS users' voice to be heard in a tangible manner. This is a very important part right now because this is where crypto is going in the future for sure. Having governance, having a right to vote for something, being able to have your voice heard as a full community and to be able to get in this thing early to where we can have more of an influence of this would be a very, very good opportunity for a lot of us. VVS referral system. Bring a friend and you'll both be rewarded. So you know how this goes, man. You bring your friend to VVS Finance, you'll likely get some VVS Finance or some rewards for bringing your friends over. Typically, how that goes with referral systems. VVS Union Club offered tiered platform benefits and rebates for VVS holders across the platform. So you never know at what point as this VVS grows, what rewards you might have for holding VVS, what kind of benefits they continue to add as VVS grows. And the more we hold, the better we will benefit for being in early, for sure. Give additional utility to holders of VVS and reward the long-term supporters. We will be long-term supporters, for sure. Incentivize increasing the amount of VVS to reach the following tier benefits. Now we can get tier benefits like on crypto.com. If you hold a certain amount of CRO, you can get certain benefits for certain cards. You can have different color cards with different color benefits from YouTube to maybe YouTube. I know it's like Netflix, a lot of different other kind of apps you can get discounts on. They maybe even pay for it all together. You know what I'm saying? So that'd be very, very nice. VVS NFT collection. Adopt your own miner modes. VVS miner modes, besides looking fab, will have platform utilities and enhance your VVS experience. They will be integral to the VVS Gachi. Read below. Game, which is powered by VVS and designed for engagement and fun. VVS Gachi. Adopt pet and nurture your own friendly miner mode. Play to earn, win, or heck, just have fun. So they're going to actually have a game as well. You're talking about a site, VVS, that has a Exponential 22 looking like it's coming above for us. A lot of growth, a lot of new implementations. This thing has not slowed down at all. They have been constantly working very, very hard to build this thing up, and every day it's getting better, it seems. Every day there's a new tweet. Let's see, go to the followers. We're at 60,000. It is growing very, very fast. It is growing exponentially quickly, in my opinion. I mean, to reach that, I remember we're at 40,000. This year's going to be a very big year for VVS Finance. I'm happy to be a part of this. It's exciting. They're talking about metaverse down here, NFT staking, auto farming, restaking, backlog, researching ideas, Q4 to be determined, limit orders, stablecoin optimization. They're always working. Lock staking with higher tier yield. I mean, what's not to like? Like they said about what's not to like about this so far. And the best thing about it is right now the prices drop dramatically. You can get a lot more for a very, very cheaper price. And in my opinion, like I kind of want to get some more. You know, I'm staking it. I'm still earning it passively, but with all the new updates they have coming out this year, it's looking very, very lovely. It's looking like this thing could be very, very good. I still think it's early. I still think the price is volatile. I still think the price could come down because, you know, they keep supplying a lot more tokens and then halving it year after year after year. But I mean, the way the thing is growing could be very, very influential in the finance crypto space for sure. For in the yield farming space, this could be a very, very big deal when people start to catch on. Because I still think a lot of people are out of the loop. So we are still good as long as we are early. And the market cap, we go to the market cap on coinmarketcap.com. Let's go to the market cap just so we can show y'all. We see these big $1 trillion market caps in the crypto space. 82 million, very, very small for a crypto, especially like this, that has this type of a roadmap, that has this type of validation of getting things done, improving the site, and like kind of sticking to their word. You know, they have they've done a lot. You know what I'm saying? They've done a lot. They're growing. Even if you go to the website, platform security, they said with an eye, DeFi safety, large bounty bug, and one of the most fantastically committed developer teams we have had the pleasure of working with. VVS Finance has proven itself a worthy trendsetter of the Chronos chain. That's not from me. It's from the DeFi Safety. I don't know if they're a commission, but that would sound right. DeFi Safety Commission, and they put that there. But DeFi Safety Montreal, Canada, number one independent technical risk analysis on DeFi protocols. So that's very important to see there. I know a lot of people are skeptical. A lot of people don't know yet. But hey man, you see it here on IGO. Let's go. It's still, there's more. IGO in a day and 10 hours, single finance. Going to be participating in that. Try to get that on sale. So there, VVS Finance and Crypto.com are looking like some very nice cryptos for 2022, man. But I was here to update y'all and let y'all know what I think. Still think it's a good chance to get in if you don't have any yet. But I'm no financial advisor. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, click the notifications on. Until next time, Disky out.